I understand that you're looking to choose your classes for the coming quarters. In the Social Service Mental Health program, we have 2 cohorts. Cohort just means that you're going through the program together. There's an evening cohort that runs from 5:30 to 7:40 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Occasionally, it'll be on Mondays and Wednesdays, but it is usually consistent throughout the year. It begins typically in the fall with Social Service Mental Health 100, an introductory class. And that's a broad class, like a survey class, where you learn all about the field, but you don't learn in depth about the field. Next, you would have Law and Ethics. And Law and Ethics sort of gives you an idea about what you're allowed to do in counseling and what you shouldn't do in counseling. Finally, there's the Interviewing and Assessment class. And that's a brief look at the DSM, how assessment works, how case management works, and mostly it's a focus on learning how to listen in your interviewing with clients. Once you've taken those 3 classes, you can take the fieldwork class. Now let's say evening isn't the right time for you, but afternoon is. Well, you can start in the afternoon cohort in the winter quarter, and it runs from 1 to 3:10. And it would be followed by the spring Law and Ethics. In the following fall, you would take your interviewing and assessment, and then your fieldwork. Now, intermixed in those classes are 3 credit classes that typically run Friday and Saturday for a month. And these are nice to get out of the way when you have a heavy math class or a biology with a lab or a class that will require extra work. So you can choose which quarters you want to take those courses. So in recap, there is the afternoon cohort that starts in the winter and the evening cohort that starts in the fall. But if you're just going for the certificate, you can bundle some of these classes as long as you get the prereqs out of the way for your fieldwork class.